Here we see the Daher TBM 930 single-engine turboprop aircraft. Regular maintenance needs to be performed on this aircraft by certified aviation technicians to keep it in running order. Some of these items include annual inspection, oil changes, and service bulletin compliance or airworthiness directive compliance.
This is the TBM 930. It has a Pratt & Whitney turboprop engine with 850 horsepower, giving it a service ceiling of 31,000 feet of over 1,700 nautical miles.
In 2016, the company launched the improved TBM 930 turboprop aircraft. That same year, the 800th TBM came off the assembly line. Air's aviation activity includes the design.
This is a TBM 930 aircraft. It is used as a leader in business aviation.